Welcome everyone to this session of Marketing Analytics. This is Dr. Sandeep, and today I'll be discussing with you some of the basics of this subject, which will be an introduction to this subject in this session. And in that introduction, first of all, I will be talking with you about the challenges which marketers are facing around the globe. And in that challenge, the first one is hyper competition. So marketers around the globe are, you can say, facing the problem of hyper competition, which is there, and they need to take care of this issue. And for that, they need some body of knowledge which may help them, which may guide them to take the right decisions. And there, this subject that is marketing analytics may come to their rescue. So this is the first challenge which marketers are facing around the globe. Next challenge I will like to talk about is regarding volumes of data which is generated by the day-to-day operations of the enterprises. And there is, you can say, huge volumes of data with the enterprises which they are not able to understand that what to do with that. So in that case, that data needs to be, you can say, utilized somewhere through the techniques maybe of data mining or data warehousing, which may help the business organizations to make, you can say, valuable inferences from the data which are available. And then these techniques of data mining and data warehousing are also closely related with marketing analytics. That is another area which is closely related with this subject. Then the next challenge I would like to take on is every organization is in the need of quicker decision making. So they have lesser time, the managers have lesser time, and they need to take quicker decisions. And for those quicker decisions, they need to, you can say, utilize uh, some some body of knowledge like marketing analytics, which may help them to guide their decision making. And through this subject, through the techniques and tools and statistical models which are part of this subject, they may help that may help them to do so. That is another benefit which they may get from this subject to deal with this challenge. Next is the accountability. That is, you can say, an important factor in marketing analytics, because every business in wants that whenever the technology is used, it has to be, you can say, made accountable. So accountability needs to be there. And due to the use of technology in different businesses, there is higher need of accountability. And due to, you can say, due to the recording of every transaction maybe through some technological mediums, so accountability is there. And for that, even the marketing analytics can help them. So this is another challenge which businesses are facing in terms of the accountability, which is higher nowadays. So these are some of the challenges which the business managers, or particularly the marketing managers, are facing nowadays. Marketing analytics helps the businesses or the marketing managers to understand the success of their campaigns. Or we can say marketing analytics also helps them to understand that how well they have performed during their campaigns. What is the performance level which has been achieved during the campaigns? In addition to this, marketing analytics also helps the marketing managers to gain necessary insights into the trends and patterns which have been generated based on their sales volume. And all these things helps them to make data driven decisions which are based on certain techniques and tools which are used in the field of marketing analytics. So, if I say overall, what actually is done in marketing analytics is, instead of a single view, there is a combination of data across different marketing channels which are used as a, you can say, a combined view, and which will help us to understand or unite the data in a common frame, so that we can analyze or make inferences from the data which has been gained from different sources and not from a single source. As the companies are making a lot of efforts to apply the new technologies in their different domains, in the different areas, so there is a probability that these new technologies may be deployed in isolation, means at different places, individual places, and there may be, you can say, the lack of combination among these technologies. If I take some example, for example, digital marketing, if I take, and digital marketing may be utilized by some organization alone, or we can say the web analytics data, which is generated through certain websites, metrics, is also utilized by the organization alone, may not fetch the right kind of results unless and until these two data, which are generating from different areas, are combined in certain way, and there is a, you can say, consolidated picture which is taken into account. Alone digital marketing cannot help the organization in a better way, or alone the website metrics data may also not help the organization in a better way. Rather, there has to be a combination of marketing channels which have to be used together so that the organization needs to progress. So this is why we need marketing analytics. The next question which comes to our mind is marketing research or marketing analytics. What is the difference? So in this case, I will like to say that marketing analytics is considered as the superset of marketing research. Or in other words, marketing research can be considered as the subset of marketing analytics. So this means that we can perform something additional to marketing research in marketing analytics. That additional may mean that we may be able to do industry analysis, we may be able to do competitor analysis in marketing analytics apart from marketing research. Marketing research is basically more of a traditional kind of area where we start doing the research as we do in the offline mode, and where we prepare our objectives, we conduct the literature review, we frame the objectives, we do the need for the study, we apply the different data collection techniques, then we collect the data and then we analyze it, and then we present our findings and the conclusion. So marketing research is related to that particular, but marketing analytics is more comprehensive. It may include certain more things than marketing research. Now we can say that marketing research is a part of marketing analytics. Now, I will discuss with all of you about some of the objectives of marketing analytics. The first objective of marketing analytics is that it may help us or the organizations to understand the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. Whether it is an online campaign or an offline campaign, if any organization wants to know that whether that campaign has been able to generate the benefits for which it was intended, so that may be, you can say, made aware or may find out that thing with the help of marketing analytics. Second objective of this marketing analytics is that it may help the organizations to look for the areas for improvement. Maybe in the future campaigns, they may be able to do the campaigns where there is area for improvement of the performance. They may be able to know that. Apart from this, customers, knowing your customers is another, you can say, objective of marketing analytics, and it helps us or the organizations to know the customers. that what are the demographics of the customers of the organization, which kind of demographic, which age of the person, or which kind of gender of the person are using our products more. So that information may be derived from, you can say, the data which is analyzed through marketing analytics. Then it may also help to understand the objectives of the or the competition of the organization. So this is the fourth objective which we can say of the marketing analytics, that it may help the organizations to know the competitors, that what the competitors are doing, what is their marketing, you can say, share, or what is their marketing strategy. We may generate a comprehensive view about the market by taking care of the competitors as well. So these are some of the objectives of marketing analytics.